Streamlit versus Reflex. Which Python web framework is better? Choosing the right Python web framework can completely change how you build interactive apps without complicated setups. Streamlit and Reflex both offer unique approaches to Python app development. Streamlit and Reflex are two popular Python frameworks for creating web applications, but they differ fundamentally. Streamlit focuses on simplicity and rapid prototyping with minimal code, while Reflex emphasizes building reactive, stateful apps with a declarative programming model. Streamlit is an open-source Python framework designed for quickly building and sharing data apps and dashboards. It works by letting developers write simple Python scripts that automatically generate interactive web interfaces without needing front-end experience. Streamlit's strength lies in its straightforward API and live code reloading, which accelerates prototyping and iteration. It integrates seamlessly with popular Python data libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and Plotly, making it ideal for data scientists and analysts who want to create visualizations and tools with minimal overhead. However, Streamlit apps are mostly stateless and linear, which limits complex user interactions and multi-page workflows. It's best suited for single-page apps, rapid demos, and data exploration projects where simplicity and speed matter more than complex UI logic. Reflex is a modern Python web framework that enables developers to build reactive, stateful web applications using a declarative syntax. Unlike Streamlit, Reflex manages app state on the server and automatically syncs changes with the client, allowing for dynamic user interfaces that respond instantly to user input. Reflex supports multi-page apps, complex workflows, and customizable components, making it a more scalable choice for building production-grade applications. Its reactive programming model reduces boilerplate and keeps UI logic clean and maintainable. Reflex requires a slightly steeper learning curve compared to Streamlit, but offers greater flexibility and control over app behavior. It fits well for developers who want to build interactive real-time applications with Python without switching to JavaScript frameworks. When comparing Streamlit and Reflex, the choice depends on your project needs. Streamlit excels for quick, simple apps focused on data visualization and exploration with minimal setup and instant feedback. It's perfect if you want to prototype dashboards or share insights fast. On the other hand, Reflex handles complex app states and user interactions better, supporting multi-page navigation and reactive UI updates. Reflex is ideal for developers aiming to build sophisticated web apps with Python alone without front-end coding. The trade-off is that Reflex requires more initial effort to learn and set up. Streamlit limits interactivity and scalability but wins on ease of use. Reflex offers power and flexibility but demands familiarity with reactive programming concepts. Choose Streamlit if you need to build simple, data-driven apps quickly, especially for prototyping or sharing insights without complex user interactions. Opt for Reflex when building interactive, stateful Python web applications that require real-time updates and multi-page support. Its reactive model offers scalability and flexibility, making it suitable for production apps where user experience and dynamic behavior are priority.